Good morning. So I found this recipe online for Olive Garden chicken pasta. I'm going to modify it a little bit. Online it says to slow cook for 4 to 5 hours. I am going to actually, in my Instapot, I'm going to pressure cook the first half of it and then I'll add the rest. So the chicken is froze right out of the freezer. And we usually eat around noon because my husband usually goes into work in the afternoon, but today is his day off, so it's not such a crucial hurry, but it's still froze. So, and I like to pressure cook my meat. It just comes out so tender. So I'm going to, and I'm cutting the whole recipe in half since it's only my husband and myself, but this is Olive Garden signature Italian salad dressing. Just gonna cover that. I didn't use it all because, like I said, I'm cutting the recipe in half. So I'm going to pressure cook this for about 20 minutes, and we will come back and finish it up with the rest of the goodies. Okay, I have the chicken on, so I'm just gonna start some water in my pot filler that I love so much. My husband put in for me when we redid the kitchen. Some salt to get it boiling. This is for the pasta to go with the Olive Garden chicken I'm doing. Okay, so the Instapot just said it was done pressure cooking. You can see the steam coming out. You can force this by opening the vent. I'm going to let it come down on its own. And while that's happening, I'm going to go ahead and start the water for the pasta. Okay, so let's see what we got going on in here. Well, it really shrunk down, which is no big deal. Let's get a fork. It smells delicious. So now I'm going to put in, it smells delicious. Now I'm going to put in, the recipe calls for a full block, but like I said, I'm cutting everything in half. And she doesn't want to give up. So a half a block of cream cheese. And you're supposed to put a cup now and a cup later. This bag is a cup and a half. And I'm just going to put what I think, like I always do. Oh, doesn't that look good? So now we're going to close it. Now, if you're doing it the way the recipe says, you would have slow cooked it with all that on. But seeing as how I pressure cooked my chicken, I had to do it this way. And I'm going to pressure cook it again, but only for 6 minutes, that's all. Because it's already cooked. I want to get that stuff in there. I'm hoping since I pressure cooked it, it infused the Italian dressing into the meat. So, and I'm waiting for my water here to boil. So noodles are on, they're cooking. This just ended at 6 minutes. I am going to depressurize this one myself this time. I put a rag over it because I don't like the steam going in my cupboards. And I'm just going to release the valve, which you just turn it. There we go. Stir noodles, getting this to calm down. Darren, can you smell this? Because I have some of my senses back and I can smell it. Can you smell it good?
Yeah.
So So the little thing just went down, so it's safe to open. We're gonna open it and look at it. Look at it. So now you're supposed to take 2 forks. Darren, I need your help for a minute, please. I can't hold the camera. I have to have my husband come in and hold the camera. Just hold the camera. So you're supposed to take 2 forks, and you can see the cream cheese and the cheese, and just spread everything apart. Mix it all up. Are you getting a good look in there? Oh, it looks really good. You can see the chicken is really infused with the flavor. Looks great. Alright, so now, oh yeah, hold that for me. So now you're supposed to, if you're doing it the regular way, which we didn't do the regular way, we pressure cooked everything. Add some more Parmesan cheese on top. And we're just gonna let it sit there and let that melt while I finish up the noodles. So we'll be back as soon as the noodles are done. Mix your noodles right in here. Maybe I got too many noodles. Oh, now it's mixing in nicely now. Look at that. Ooh, does that look and smell good? And that wasn't too many noodles. Actually, they're all plenty covered. So now everything is off. We're gonna move it over to the table here and have some lunch. So the end product is cooled off enough now that we're eating it. I can taste the salad dressing all the way through the chicken. That's why I did pressure cook it. I think that infused it. It's quite good. My husband says we'll have it again. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Enjoy.